Good morning, student. Today we will continue our chapter 9, percentage and its application. How to solve the percentage types of question we already discussed in the previous lecture. Today we will talk about the profit and loss. Before profit and loss, you must need to know about SP and CP. What is the SP? Selling price. And what is the CP? That is the cost price. What is the meaning of selling price and cost price? That whenever a shopkeeper purchase something and then they will sell things to the customer. When they purchase something, then what is the cost price of it? Or sale at some rate, then that is called the selling price. Selling price, it means we are selling something at any cost. This is a cost price of something. Okay, now see SP and CP. Suppose किसी शॉपकीपर ने एक टेलीविज़न खरीदा है 2500 रुपीज़ में, उसको सेल कर दिया कस्टमर को 25,000 30,000 रुपीज़ में उसको सेल कर दिए. तो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस फॉर द शॉपकीपर? दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस 25,000 रुपीज़ जिस पे उसे खरीदा गया है. सेलिंग प्राइस ₹30,000. तो शॉपकीपर को प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस होगा? 25,000 का उसने बाय किया और 30,000 में सेल कर दिया, देन ऑब्वियसली he will get the profit. And how much profit? How to find out? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 30,000, cost price is 25,000. It means he get the profit of ₹5,000. If he sold it at ₹20,000, then he will get the profit or loss. Obviously 25,000 का उसने बाय किया है, then after he is selling at ₹20,000, then he will get loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is equal to 25,000 minus 20,000, that is equal to ₹5,000. It means profit formula, whenever SP is greater than CP, selling price is greater than the cost price, then we will get the profit. If selling price is less than the cost price, then we will get the loss. And what is the, how to find out the profit? Profit formula become SP minus CP, and loss formula becomes CP minus SP. If we want to the percentage of profit or loss, it means profit percentage and loss percentage is equal to what? Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply by 100. This is loss divided by CP multiply 100. It means profit percentage or loss percentage always calculated on the cost price. One more thing, one more term included in it, that is the overhead charges. What is the meaning of overhead charges? ओवरहेड चार्जेस क्या होते हैं? सपोज यू परचेज एसी, या तुमने एसी परचेज किया, तो सिर्फ परचेज करने से तो हमारे घर पे नहीं लग जाएगा. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फॉर इट, कि हमें ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज देना होगा. वो एसी वहाँ से लाके घर तक रखा गया है, उसका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज. एसी को लगाया गया घर पे, इट मीन्स इंस्टॉलेशन चार्ज. तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस होते हैं जब हम कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं, जब हम किसी चीज़ को परचेज करते हैं और उसके ऊपर जो एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस लगते रहते हैं, तो दिस ऑलवेज इंक्लूडेड इनटू द कॉस्ट प्राइस, क्योंकि हमारा तो वो खर्चा उसी के लिए लग रहा है। तो इट मीन्स ओवरहेड चार्जेस मस्ट बी एडेड टू द कॉस्ट प्राइस, कि अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में हमें ओवरहेड चार्जेस गिवन है तो वो हमारे किस में ऐड होंगे, कॉस्ट प्राइस में ऐड होंगे। ओके, नाउ वी विल सोल्व वन क्वेश्चन। A shopkeeper bought an oven for rupees 5,000 and sold it for rupees 6,500. He paid rupees 200 to Auto and rupees 300 extra charges. Find his gain or loss. Find his gain or loss. A shopkeeper bought an oven. एक शॉपकीपर ने ओवन खरीदा है फॉर रुपीज 5,000. 5,000 का ओवन खरीदा है. इट मीन्स 5,000 rupees oven purchased and sold it for rupees 6,500. 6,500 में उसको सोल्ड किया गया. He paid rupees 200 to Auto and rupees 300 extra charges. It means the total CP, total cost price for shopkeeper is equal to रुपीज़ 5,000 जो उसने डायरेक्ट दी हैं when he purchased it, रुपीज़ 200 to Auto. I already told you that over these type of charges are called overhead charges and which we include in our cost price. So we will add it rupees 200 and this rupees 300. It means 5,200 5,500 becomes the cost price for the shopkeeper for buying an oven. Now what is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 6,500. So cost price is rupees 5,500, selling price is rupees 6,500. Which one is greater, selling price or cost price? Obviously selling price. Whenever selling price SP is greater than CP, then he will get profit. Then what is the profit formula? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is rupees 6,500 and cost price is rupees 5,500. It means he will get the profit of 1,000 rupees. This is simply profit. In this question, in the same question, if we want to find out the profit percentage, then what is the formula for it? Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply by 100. Profit how much? Rupees 1,000. Cost price now 5,500 multiply by 100. Then solve it. You will get 5 to the 10, 200. That is equal to 200 by 11. 11 ones are 11. 90. 11 eights are 88. Remaining 2. Then you will get 18 2 by 11 percentage profit. Okay, now see the next question. I bought a washing machine for rupees 7,500 and spent rupees 500 on its cartage. Due to some circumstances, I was compelled to sell it. For rupees 6,000. Find my loss percent. I bought a washing machine for rupees 7,500. 7,500 में तो हमने वॉशिंग मशीन परचेज की है एंड स्पेंट रुपीज 500 ऑन इट्स कार्टेज. उसके कार्टेज पर क्या दो, इट मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस इज ऑन 500 रुपीज. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल सीपी? I bought a washing machine. We can write down that your purchase price for washing machine rupees 7,500. Extra charges rupees 500. Then CP for me. We can write down directly. Then cost price of washing machine is equal to rupees 7,500 plus rupees 500, that becomes rupees 8,000. It means total cost of washing machine for me is rupees 8,000. Now I was compelled to sell it. It means selling price of washing machine rupees 6,000. Okay, now see, CP is rupees 8,000, SP is rupees 6,000. Then which one is greater? CP greater than SP. Cost price is greater than selling price. So it means we will get the loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is equal to rupees 8,000 minus rupees 6,000. It becomes rupees 2,000. In the question asking my loss percentage, what is the loss percent formula? Loss percent is equal to loss divided by CP multiplied by 100. How much loss? 2,000. CP 8,000 multiplied by 100, it means 100 2 4s are 8, then it becomes 25%. 25% loss he get. Okay, now see. Next type of question. Find the selling price if the cost price is rupees 20.25 and gain is 10%. Gain is 10%. These type of question I am solving two types, one with the proper statement and second direct we are using the formula. Firstly, see here, whenever we are taking the percentage profit and loss type of question, CP you always can take 100. Let CP 100. Now see, if gain 10%, it means on 10%, जब इस तरह से हमें गेन दिया हुआ है CP 100, then we can say easily your SP become 110. अगर loss होता then CP 100, then we can take SP is equal to 90. In this case, I take CP rupees 100, gain अगर 10% है तो 100 का 10%, 10, then SP become 100 plus 10, 110. अब तुम्हें find out क्या करना है? Selling price. तो you can use your unitary method also. कि जब CP 100 rupees है, when CP is equal to rupees 100, then SP is equal to rupees 110. यूनिटरी मेथड में क्या होता है? सो इफ CP is equal to rupees 1, then SP is equal to 110 डिवाइड बाय 100. इसमें ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा रुपीज 1 के लिए. सो CP is equal to